In our last video, we were just setting off from Ipoh after our bus was delayed for 3 hours. After another 3 hours, we finally arrived in Georgetown, ready to go and explore the city and find all the street art that it's famous for. As soon as we got off the bus, it started to rain. It's like Malaysia just hates us.
This isn't going to be a fun walk back.
Conveniently, our hotel's only about a 5-minute walk from the bus terminal. And the rain also stopped.
The PIN is the last 4 digits of my phone number. Cozy little room.
So we do have a private room and we have a shared bathroom which we haven't found yet. But the rooms are a decent size. They're pretty small but you don't really need that much space. And it comes with aircon, which is always nice. We just logged into the Wi-Fi and it is insanely fast. I'm not sure we've had this fast Wi-Fi since we lived in our own apartment. There are turtles in this river. We have been in Georgetown for about 5 minutes and we already love it. So it looks like these, it looks like the lanterns are all handmade, and then there's obviously the turtles in the river. It's just so cute here. Oh, they're little hot air balloons. But I guess because of the weather and whatever, they're not, most of them aren't intact anymore. So cute. We just walked for ages to try and find something to eat because we just wanted something little, but because it's Eid, a lot of the restaurants and street food vendors are closed for the night. So we just ended up walking around, but then we found this street which I think has a lot of Chinese influence in, so obviously they're not celebrating Eid, and then we managed to get some street food. Pretty rainy in Malaysia. It's not even the wet season. My coffee never comes fancier than George's. It's laundry day!
We've never shown us doing our laundry before, but we carry around these 2 Asda bags full of our clothes, and so many laundrettes across Southeast Asia now know about Asda.
After 3, before 9 today.
Thank you, see you.
That was 40 ringgits, so not the most expensive we've paid, but it's definitely up there.
really touristy, especially when you compare it to anywhere else that we've been. But also, it's kind of unique in that I've never been anywhere else like this. So that's nice. Sign over there, do not chase after moving bus.
I'm not going to try and film over the side anymore. Only from back here. I'm just here to find Michelle Yeoh for a game of Mahjong.
It's actually not open for another hour or so, and it also looks like you can only go in with a guided tour, which we don't really want to do, so we're just going to settle for looking at that one from the outside. All nice and clean and folded. We're going to head back up to the jetties because apparently they have a bunch of restaurants there that are really good. This place is so cool. It's just like all the centres in Singapore. George went to get us drinks and then came back with these.
What?
No, it's literally just crystal.
Oh.
We've already seen a bunch of street art. We went looking around last night for it, but our hostel had this map and it tells you where all of them are. So today our plan is to run around and find all the street art, and we'll also show what we already have seen. So retro with your map. You might be wondering what the deal with all the street art in Georgetown is. In 2008, Georgetown was listed as a UNESCO World Heritage Site, and the Penang state government held a competition for the best ideas on how to decorate the city with the concept Voices from the People. The winning idea, called Marking Georgetown, was a collection of steel rod caricatures which told the stories of the city. Then, in 2012, for the Georgetown Festival, a Lithuanian artist was commissioned to create a series of public paintings giving the city its reputation as a destination for street art. Today, more artists have flocked to Georgetown to add their pieces, encouraged by tourism officials and the government. It's a lot of fun wandering around trying to find them all, especially finding the original art pieces that started it all. The cat is the one that's on the map and the monkey is not on the map, so I guess it's not an official one. But this is where Jimmy Choo started his apprenticeship. Apparently he was born in Penang. So quirky here. You know which ones are the official wire sculptures because they all have a QR code you can scan and get loads more information about them. So this one is Bruce Lee fighting a cat, but it's gone and you can't really see it anymore. So this art is inside this temple, but we can kind of see one which looks very similar, but we don't know if it's actually supposed to be the same one or if they've like repainted it or something. We're really not sure. Already seen a bunch of the street art, but our hostel had this. This doesn't fit well at all.
That bus had TVs. Our bus was 3 hours late.
This is one of the faded ones. It's a cat, in case you can't see that.
I don't understand this illusion, it's so terrible.